Today, I took a me day and went to the salon. It's nice to treat yourself once in a while. I have the best stylist. She doesn't put us in cages so the dogs get to play with each other, which makes it so much fun. I love going to the salon. Word is getting out that my stylist knows how to do a heart nub, so she is getting booked by more and more corgis. Soon, all the corgis in the area will be copying my signature look. I will admit, it's a sexy look, so I don't blame the others for wanting to look as adorable as me. I think my stylist did such a good job that I insisted Grumpy take me to the beach for some photographs, so everybody could see my new do. Like, subscribe, comment and share.